So you guys can see now our technician is demonstrating how to do the machine testing job. Okay, this is our basic models. Means it's a model is DSG series or DX series. Okay, these basic models, their operation panel is button type. Okay, but in fact the machine color and the motor power and even the displacement of the oil pumps, the solenoid valves, or like the operation panel, we can also customize it for you. We can make the operation panel as touch screen or microcomputer control or even numerical control operation panel as per your requirements. Okay.